Hello folks, welcome back for another training session. Today we're at the $15 table, $15 pass line, $25 on each of the box number, $15 on the field. All bases are loaded. Take our dice, and all we have to do, just hit the ball, start collecting. We're gonna go with the 4-2-2-4 set. Let's nail that 6 and 8. Five points, five there, 3 here, so we get 2. We're gonna press 6, 8. Three, 2 is the dice. 5 is the total. Same set. Nine. Pay there, pay here. 3 on the bottom. On top. Gonna press 6, 8, 5, and 9. Okay. Same set. Four, 2, 2. Pay double there. Pay in the field. Gonna press 5, 6, 8, 4, and 10. Same set. Eight. Okay, we got 8 there, 3 here, so we got 5. 2, 6. Press the 8. Change. 6 and 5. Okay. Same set. Five. Okay, point made. Pay the pass line. Okay, we got 3 here, and we got 8 there, so we got 5 payout. 2, 3. Okay. At this point, we already made our money, and we double it. We're going to play pass line, and we're going to try to call out 7. Okay. 8, 4, 4, points 8. Okay. We're going to place $15 on the DC. We're gonna go with the 410 set. with a 10 on the inside, okay? Seven. So we lost all this. We got 2, 4, 6 row, 1 point. So we lost 20, 30 bucks, $30 loss. And let's just break that even out. Here's a $30 push for my winning. Okay. And we started out with pass line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And field. Let's make change. Okay, this is what we started out with. This is our profit, $120. So you could do it that way.